Okay, so we have actually discovered a few more caterpillars, one of which is on this tiny leaf here. See if I can make it so it's not blurry. Let's see if you can see it. There he is. See him right next to the holes? And then let's compare him to one that we found yesterday, which is right here, which I was showing you how tiny they are, but now you can see how absolutely tiny they start out. Because look at the baby next to this other guy when we pan in, and then when I go like this and come back to reality, you have a good idea of what size they are. Oh.